Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to another video. It's your Karan Singh 005 here, and in this video we will be unboxing another mystery box by Samsung. This time Samsung has sent me another mystery box on the occasion of their Galaxy Unpacked event that is going to be happening on February 9th, 2022. There will be some amazing products that Samsung is going to be unveiling there, but for now we will be seeing what Samsung has sent me in this mystery box and we will be unboxing this together. So without wasting any time, let's dive into this video. I am very excited to open this box. I can't wait to see what amazing things are there inside this box. The box looks amazing. It's so cool, I think. And also it's very heavy as well. Loaded with amazing goodies. Now let's open this box. There is a personalized letter waiting for us from Mr. T. Bro. There is a hairband for us with a tagline of Break the Rules. Break the Rules is the tagline for the upcoming Galaxy Unpacked event. This is a USB pen with a built-in storage of up to 64 gigabytes. There is an amazing watch band for my Galaxy watch as well. And on to my favorite thing of the day, the gimbal. I can mount my smartphone here and it will give me some amazing stabilized footage. This device is used to create a rainbow beam in low light. This is actually a film masking tape that Samsung has given us. This contains loads of things like Walk of Fame star, a note, stickers, film frames filter, garland and avatar balloon. There is also a reusable ticket which can act as a smartphone stand as well. And finally, the most creative thing of them all, a scene slate board with a pen. And some instruction manuals for the things given. So that was the unboxing of the Galaxy Unpacked by Samsung. I hope you enjoyed as much as I did while unboxing it. And do not forget to tune in for the Galaxy Unpacked event on February 9th, which will be happening at 8:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. I will be linking the registration and live stream link down in the description below to check it out. And please do tell me that for which Samsung product are you most excited about for the upcoming event. And yeah, see you soon in a future video. Thank you again and stay healthy, stay safe.